Hello friends, in this video let's quickly talk about how to do the Power BI report server configuration. In the previous video we talked about from where we need to download the Power BI report server software and how to do the installation, what is a prerequisite and all. We talked about it clearly. So I am going to provide you the report server software link in the description section. So please download from that particular link if you are looking for it. And please remember, this Power BI report server keep on updates month on month basis. So currently I'm having May 2020 version of report server. So if you see the same video, maybe after a couple of months you might be having a different URL or different version of Power BI report server. So please keep in mind that. Now so this is a place where we need to download the report server. Here you have a prerequisites as well. So please be careful, you need to satisfy the prerequisite to install. First, to install it you need .NET Framework 4.5.2 or later, and to configure you need any version of the SQL Server. Okay, so 2008 or later version of SQL Server engine you required. Okay, so and you need some SQL Server analysis services as well to work with report server related stuff. Okay, so let's quickly go for the configuration. So as I mentioned, I just installed the Power BI report server, and let me go for the configuration. So okay, let me go for here, or I can see it here. If I go here, so I can see that in somewhere, let us see Microsoft Power BI report server. Yes. So just expand it, click on this. So once you click on this, so you get this similar window. Let's click on yes. Okay, so let it open meanwhile. Yeah, so this is the one, you get this kind of window. So let it open now. So before that, let me open SQL Server Management Studio as well. So to configure SQL Server, to configure Power BI report server, so you need SQL Server as well. Okay, so I have SQL Server 2016 in my machine. So let's go and open that particularly. So then I'll configure it. I want to show you something there. That is the reason I'm opening a bit ahead of time. Please bear with me here. Yeah, it's opening. Yeah, it's open. Yeah, so let me connect it. Once it's connected, I'll just open this. Yeah. Okay. So if you just see how many databases are there in my in my database collection, you can see I have around some 12 or 13 databases are there. So you can just see I have a couple of databases with the name of report server 2017, report server 2017 tempdb. I have these report server databases. Just keep in mind. So now let's come here. So we are here. So once you open this window, you will get like this. Okay. So I have SSRS 2017 in my machine. So this is SSRS related, and one more is Power BI report server instance. So currently we are trying to configure Power BI instance. Okay. That is the reason why I am selecting this. If you do not have any SSRS instances, then you won't get SSRS. Okay. So you'll get only this. Just select it and click on connect. That's it. Since I have a two version of reports instance in my same machine, that's the reason I got it. Now you can see here. So let's start it. So once you get this window, let's start it. So once you start it, you need to do some more configurations. Let's wait. Yeah, it started now. So this is the first window you see like this. Okay. So let's go to the service account. So on which service account do you want to run? You want to have a specific user account, you can do it. Otherwise, I'll go with virtual service account. I don't have any issues. Let's quickly go to the web service URL. So this is a report server and the port number 80. I already have port number 80. I need to use separate port because I told I already have a SSRS report server. Okay. So here let's quickly keep it as PB. I'm just keeping as PB, Power BI report server. Okay. So I'm going to make it as 8000. Or 800, whatever it is, it's up to me. 8000. Okay, because I need to use a different port if you have a multiple instance of report server. As I mentioned, I already used 80, I'm using 8000. So, but if you're trying for the first time in a fresh machine, you can go with 80. Once you decide with the port, and once you decide with the virtual directory name, let's click on apply. So you can give any port, okay. So, and make sure that you do not use that port in the particular machine for other purposes. Okay, you can give any 4-digit port or like a 3-digit port. Okay, so 8000 I didn't use anywhere in the same machine, so that's the reason why I gave it. Now if you see, this is the URL. Okay, let's wait for a moment. Let's come to the database. So here I need to select the database here. See, whenever I do any operation, it indirectly go and save into the database only. So I need to link the Power BI report server with the database. Okay, so by default it won't you won't see any database name here and all. Okay, you need to click on change database. Okay, so here if you already have existing databases, you can choose it. Otherwise, let's create. For the time being, I'm showing you here, I don't have any existing Power BI instance of databases. Let's select this, click on next. Yes, here server name is correct. Sorry, server name is not this / SQL 2016. This is my instance name. Okay, so now I'm okay with the security. Let's click on test connection. Yes, test connection succeeded. Let's click on next. Here it was asking what database you want to keep it. So currently, like if you see, I don't have a report server name of the database as report server. I have 2016 instance, 2017, but I don't have a special report server database. But still, I want to keep it as name as PB, so that I can easily understand that it's a Power BI instance of report server. Okay, so whenever I add PB here, I automatically gets further down. Okay, let's click on next. So do you want to use the similar credentials? Of course, yes, or I can use anything. Let me go with it. Okay, click on next and click on next. Yeah, it's creating a database. If you see currently, I don't have. Once it is succeeded here, I'll refresh there. You can see the database with the name of PB report server. Let's bear with me. It's almost done. Yeah, it's done. Let's finish it. Okay, let's come here and refresh. You will get the PB report server temp DB. Okay, just to identify that I added PB. There is no specific reason to add. You can give your name also as a database name. Now let's come to the web portal URL. This is the portal URL, main URL, which you will be giving it to the users. I'm okay with the default URL because I already gave 8000 port in the web service page. You will get the same port here. Okay, let's click on apply. So once you click on apply, so this URL will become active. You can give this URL to the users to see what is happening in the GUI site. Yes, it's becoming ready. If you can see at the bottom, it was URL is getting created, removing and all. It takes a while. Yes, it succeeded. Okay, so now you can just simply click on it. So let's you can again, let's email settings. So when you set up any of the subscriptions and all, you need to provide SMTP settings. This is not a mandatory at this particular point of time. Okay, if you are working with subscriptions or if you are working any automated emails related stuff from the report server, you need to specify here. It uses this only. Next, execution account, on which account it has to execute, and encryption keys. Probably we'll talk about this in a separate videos, and even this all we'll talk about in a separate videos. You have Power BI Service Cloud as well. We'll talk about separately one by one. Now let's come back here. Let me click on here. Let it open. Okay, so that's all. How you configure the Power BI report server in the machine. Yeah, if you see here, this is how you get it. If you see, let me open the same SSRS report. Let me try. Let me see either it's running or did I stop. Let me run it. The difference I'll show you. This is okay. So I understand. Let me go here and open it. The URL might be different for that. I might have given different port that time. So let me quickly go here. Report server. Yes. Click on it. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Connect. Let me quickly open it. Start. Oh, it stopped actually. Because I did not make it as automatic because it's my personal machine. I don't want to run whenever I am not using. Okay. Let's quickly come here. Okay, 8017. Okay, that's right. I understand. Leave it. So this is one URL. Let me differentiate it. This is the other URL. Okay, so yeah, I used some different port and colors and all, that's fine. So if you see the difference here, where is it? Yeah, this is the Power BI, this is SSRS. Okay, so if you see everything is same, look and like these icons and all same. Okay, this color is different, I might have done some R&D on it. Okay, so this is how we do configure, and the security perspective and all the folder maintenance, everything is same. You simply develop a report and upload here. Okay, you can see the same way how the SSRS reports are behaving, the maintenance, security and all works in the same way. So that's how we do install and configure the Power BI report server in the machines. So that's all about it. Please like and subscribe for more technical videos. If you have any questions, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also follow me on Facebook for more technical videos. Thank you.